Google just made Vedo 3.1 completely free, and most people have no idea you can chain it with these Google tools to build a full automated video pipeline. No Runway subscription, no Sora waitlist, no credit card, just a Gmail account. Let me show you exactly how this works. The first tool we'll be using is Opal, an experimental tool from Google. There's a gallery full of ready-made templates you can pick from, but let me show you how to build your own from scratch. Click Create New, and you'll land it on this interface where you build your mini app. There are 3 core things you need to understand. First, the input node. This is where you define what the app receives, your prompt, your image, whatever you're feeding into the system. Second, the generate node. This is where the magic happens. You choose your model here, Nano Banana, Veo for video, the audio tool, or Lyria if you want to generate music. Third, the output node. This is your final destination. You can save results directly to Google Docs, push them into Google Sheets, or just preview them live in a web page. And if you're not sure where to start, don't worry. Just use the prompt section to describe what you want, and Opal will build the mini app for you automatically. Let me show you a quick example. We're going to build a simple system that takes an animal name as input and generates a video of that animal jumping on a trampoline. Type the prompt and hit enter. Give it a moment to build, and it's ready. Let's test it. I'll type lion as the input and watch what happens. It's now generating the video. After a few seconds, the result will appear right here in the web page, and you can download it instantly with one click. Now that's a basic example, but think bigger. You can build an entire automated system that takes a reference image, generates a video around it, adds a voiceover, layers and background music, the whole production in one pipeline. Now, let me show you a pre-built mini app straight from the gallery. Let's pick this one, the social media post generator. Hit start. And it's asking for a business name. We'll use a random one for this demo. Let's select this option and hit submit. Then choose the BTS style and let it run. And honestly, the result is pretty impressive.
Now for the second tool. Head over to Google Workspace. You'll see the Google Vids option right there. Select it, and you'll land on this interface. You'll need to sign in with your Gmail account to get started. Once you're signed in, you're inside Google's video editing suite. You've got several options to choose from. Let's go with Veo for now. This is where it gets interesting. You can build your own video from scratch. And the best part? Veo 3 video generation is completely free. You can create a video from scratch or take an existing image and animate it directly. And if you need visuals, there's also a built-in image generator, also free. Let's try it. We'll take an image and turn it into a video. I'll use this existing image prompt right here. It's generating the image now. And it's ready. Let's drop it into the timeline and bring it to life. We're going to turn this into an advertisement. Type the prompt, hit submit, and give it a moment. And there it is. Let's replace it with the image in the timeline, and let's watch how it came out.
Experience the taste of pure freshness. Every ingredient, perfectly placed.
Honestly, that came out perfect. Now here's what else this tool gives you. Because it's more than just a video generator, you've got access to a full stock footage library to pull clips whenever you need them. Built-in caption templates to add subtitles with one click. And hundreds of templates you can choose from as you want. And a shapes toolkit for adding graphics and visual elements directly inside the editor. Everything in one place for free. So here's what you just built. Google Opal handles the automation logic. Google Vids, powered by Veo 3.1, generates the actual footage. And the whole thing runs for free. The same workflow that would have cost you $100 a month on other platforms. Gone. Now, here's the part most tutorials skip. Anyone with a Google account gets 10 free VO video generations per month, and Google AI Ultra accounts can push that all the way up to 1,000 VO videos monthly. That's not 10 test clips, that's a production schedule. The window on this is real. Google has confirmed free AI access through at least May 31st, 2026 for Workspace users. After that, pricing changes. So if you're building this automation, build it now. Animoto. If this saved you money, hit subscribe, because next video I'm showing you how to connect this entire pipeline to N8N so it triggers automatically. 0 manual steps. The video just generates itself. That one posts, don't miss it.